there's like an accommodation for students. An apartment. And even if there's a private room, it would be more comfortable. Okay.
Let's go. Like
გამარჯობა მეგობრებო, დღეს მოვედით IKEA-ში. Do you want to be in my vlog?
yeah, I'll do.
Hi everyone. So we are in the IKEA parking lot, I guess.
That's true.
So Ika's roommate drove us. Do you like it?
Yeah.
The parking lot? Let's see. That's very cute.
Oh, that's really nice. Oh my gosh, better than my job.
Okay. We're going to the restaurant first. We will try IKEA food for the first time.
I'm not.
Okay, this is a cafeteria. Okay, so we got the food tray, I guess. Yeah. Okay.
ნერვები მომიშალა რა და მან პიჭვარი ხარ. დუდგა ვარ ხედავს მომი.
Videos video. So those are the
Does it have loans? The canteen is also good so far.
We got the tray. We start with the sweet food, I guess. They have a wide variety. This is what I choose. This is with
You're so much better.
You should have taken the yeah.
Your looks very nice.
Yes.
Vegetables. So much better.
Yeah. მეგობრებო, ცოტა არ მოგწონს ხოლმე აქაური კოკა-კოლა, ამიტომ ვამოწმებთ წინასწარ. So we finished the food. Can you rate it from 1 to 10?
8, let's say.
You?
Yeah, I would say 7.5, 8.
For food coma right now.
Yeah, I would say 4 because I only ate nuggets and the pomidori ყველთან ერთად. So
That is Greek
it's Greek salad,
by
but
the way.
I cannot. Okay. So we rate this one
2.
2?
Yes.
Yeah.
You rate it 2 as well? Okay. We rate this 6.
What 6? What's better than this?
That's
For
a
me,
3.
it's like 3.
Yeah, that's a 3. And I don't know about the drinks. It doesn't look like.
This 9. This. Follow my finger. This.
I will go IKEA short. მეგობრებო, ესენი შევიწინე. იგამ შეიძლება. იგამ შეიძინა ეს ყველაფერი. და ახლა მივიდივართ სახში. ცოტა დავიღალეთ, მაგრამ it's okay.
A lot of nature. Yeah.
გამარჯობა მეგობრებო, დღეს მივიდივართ სპილბერგის სასახლეში.
Hold it first, and then it gets more.
With bigger steaks, and it got more expensive.
Okay.
Because we ordered such big steaks because they only have like certain cuts that day. He's like a quality inspector now on his park, but like it's called marmor in Slovakia now. That's why I fucked it up. Whoa, nice, be real time.
I thought it was a mess. And then
I'm so ashamed that.
terrible.
That is.
Hello. Sorry, my guess is.
Oh, a snowman. არა მგონია მოვასწროთ მუზეუმში შესვლა.
Worrying about your skin.
I think it is
some kind of
clothing. Yeah.
I think it's condoms.
როგორ საბოლოო ჯამში და თურმე 5-ზე დაიხურა და აღარ შეიძლება ჩვენი შესვლა. ამიტომ უბრალოდ ვიშეირნეთ და ვთვალიერეთ. ეს არ შეიძლება. ხო და ახლა ალბათ კიდე საქმე გავიშეირნებთ.
Largest army in the whole Europe.
You wanna go for a drink here maybe or?
The next day.
Hi everyone. So today is Jonas. You say his name Jonas?
Jonas.
Yeah, Jonas' birthday. So
Of course.
okay. Hi Oscar.
Hello.
Hi everyone.
Do you need to I'll go first if you want. Get the video of the reaction. Max is gonna open the door. So
17. $227.
So you're Muslim.
In English? Happy birthday.
no. Deutsch. Alles Gute.
Alles gut.
Oh my god, I don't. English, please.
Deutsch.
Okay, you start then I don't.
Oh, okay. Oh, Jonas, did you order anything? No. Wait, what? Jonas.
Guys, I'm not ready.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jonas. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Oh God. Yeah.
Thank you.
Zum Geburtstag viel Glück.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, make a wish.
Can I?
Yeah.
Chill, bro.
We are trying
I haven't
the
had any of
honey thing, I think. Did you like it? Yeah.
Anyone else?
Let's go.
Jonas, what is this?
And then for me as well later.
Honey liquor.
Oh.
Typische Slowenische, bitte.
This one's pretty good.
No, he's just dropping off his bag.
Where are we going? Okay. Oh my god. This looks sketchy. Okay.
Are we going to a strip club?
Oh my god. Yona, I'm gonna include this on the vlog, you know. Your girlfriend won't be.
It's nice and small.
Today, my brother,
I
Do not have.
Maciej, here's my bears.
That's what I mean. It's like the easiest shit. Like I'm like,
Nemasz jabłka.
Maciej, here's my bears again.
Not impressed.
So those are the topics. Okay, so we have a break. We have a break. Yes, a break, and we got like.
Oh, wow, right. Did you pay for that?
A beer tonight.
Sure. Okay,
We had
I'll buy a
like
beer.
5 answers,
Then I'm good for the
6
rest of the night.
answers.
You're definitely good.
Did you pay a 50 deposit on each shot?
I don't know. I just.
Oh, I hopefully not.
I'm gonna take it back anyway and then do see.
But I mean, they
No,
look,
it's not.
they look like nice shot glasses. I'd still like.
Dobrý den. Dobrý den.
Dobrý den.
Dobrý den. Dobré ráno. Dobré ráno. Dobré ráno, ragazzi. Dobrý den. It's ready. Video for the vlog. Vlog. Hi guys.
Got third place, guys.
Nice.
Lottery ticket for us. Lottery tickets.
Max did an amazing job.
No, everybody did.
Also, Andre also did an amazing job. Show this. What?
You need to be in the vlog more.
Yeah. As if I'm talking to you, you know.
Ah, yeah, of course.